राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत है। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में हम आपसे आज यही विदा लेते हैं। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, वंदे मातरम, जाग उठा है भारत।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।
सोमवार को सेना के कमांडरों का 4 दिवसीय सम्मेलन नई दिल्ली में शुरू हुआ। रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह ने इस सम्मेलन का शुभारंभ किया। इस दौरान उन्होंने सेना के कमांडरों से भी संवाद किया। इस सैन्य कमांडर सम्मेलन में रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह ने भावी रक्षा चुनौतियों से निपटने की रणनीति पर चर्चा की। रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह ने कहा कि सरकार ने सशस्त्र बलों के आधुनिकीकरण और उच्च गुणवत्ता वाली हथियार प्रणालियों के उत्पादन के लिए कई पहल की है। गोलमेज सम्मेलन को संबोधित करते हुए रक्षा मंत्री ने कहा कि साल 2020 और 21 में अंतरिक्ष और साइबर स्पेस सहित एरोस्पेस और रक्षा विनिर्माण क्षेत्रों में नई क्षितिज की खोज हुई है।
The growth of a global economy with backward and forward linkages among the countries is not only irreversible, it is also a dominant force leading us to an ever interconnected world. It is in this context that meetings like these gain greater importance. Mutual give and take of ideas on such fora leads to a strengthening of bonds and better understanding of each other's interests. I firmly believe that such platforms provide a win-win situation for all of us, where we gain from your knowledge and experience, as we also share our own learnings with you all. Excellency, our government has taken several initiatives to modernize our armed forces and produce high quality and cost-effective weapon system and platform. I am happy to share that the Indian aerospace and defense manufacturing sector today is ready to soar to newer heights. I would like to congratulate our defense industry for their tremendous efforts, as also the foreign aerospace and the defense companies that have invested in the Indian defense growth story. It is because of the collaborative efforts of entities from all over the world that our defense exports have grown by 334% in last 5 years. And now India is exporting to more than 75 countries. Our export performance is a strong indicator of the quality and the competitiveness of our defense products. The Indian government is committed to support the growth of defense modernization and capabilities, and we have increased the defense capital outlay in the annual budget of 2021-22 by 18.75% from the preceding year. This is the highest ever increment in the last 15 years. I recall that 2 years ago, on 7th October 2019, many of us here had met for the Ambassadors Round Table at Maharashtra for the previous edition of DEF Expo 2020, which was held at Lucknow from 5th to 9th February 2020. This edition was a huge success thanks to your efforts and was one of the last mega international defense exhibitions before COVID-19. Put a halt to travel and such platforms which are vital for furthering business. I was surprised that DEF Expo 2020 witnessed unprecedented attendance with 1,000 plus exhibitors, 70 countries, 3,000 plus delegates, and over 200 partnerships were forged. DEF Expo 2022 therefore aims to further the benchmark of its previous edition with greater presence of exhibitors, foreign and Indian OEMs, foreign countries, and we are committed to supporting the partnerships that have been forged thus far, as also from newer ones for mutual growth. I pray that the world comes out victorious from the pandemic, and together we witness normalcy at DEF Expo 2022. I am sanguine that the exhibition will bring all the latest technology under one roof and provide a myriad of opportunities to the stakeholders in the aerospace and defense industry. I say this with confidence because even in the challenging times of the pandemic, India prides itself for being the first in the world to successfully conduct a safe biennial aerospace show at Bengaluru earlier this year in February 2021, the Aero India 21. Through this forum, I thank the foreign delegations and OEMs that were part of this historic event in the new normal. Friends, therefore, I would like to reassure the excellencies here today that the teams at New Delhi and Gujarat are poised to jointly pull with your teams towards a Grand Deaf Expo 2022 from 10th to 13th March 2022 at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Looking forward to see you all in strength here. Jai Hind.
दिन देखिए 8 बजे रात्रि 9 बजे सुबह राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कात्यायनी टीवी पर।
22 वर्षों से प्रकाशित मदर इंडिया पत्रिका, पढ़ते रहे देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए।
26वें वर्ष में आपके लोकप्रिय समाचार पत्र इंडिया दर्पण का प्रवेश। आप देखते रहें अपने क्षेत्र की खबरें। और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।